Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone is blocking you from deleting a specific photo, video, or document and displaying a cannot delete file error, it usually means the file is actively locked by a background application or your storage manager has a corrupted cache. I will show you exactly how to unlock the file and delete it right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason a file gets artificially locked is that your phone's default gallery or file manager app has crashed in the background while trying to read it. Open your phone's main settings application, tap the search icon at the top of your screen, and carefully type exactly the word Files or My Files to locate your default storage app. Tap on the app from the search results to open its info page. Tap the Force Stop button to kill any frozen background processes holding the file hostage. Next, tap on Storage and Cache and hit the Clear Cache button. Open the app again and you should now be able to select and delete the stubborn file without any errors. Next, if the file still refuses to delete, a hidden third-party application, such as an aggressive antivirus scanner or a cloud backup tool, might be actively reading the file and preventing its removal. To bypass this, press and hold the physical power button on the side of your phone until the power menu appears. Tap and hold your finger directly on the digital Power Off button on your screen for about 3 seconds. A hidden prompt will pop up asking if you want to reboot to safe mode. Tap OK to restart your device. This temporarily disables all downloaded apps. Open your file manager while in safe mode, delete the corrupted file, and then restart your phone normally to exit. Finally, if your phone's default storage manager simply lacks the proper system permissions to modify a corrupted directory file, you can force the deletion using a more powerful third-party tool. Open your Google Play Store and download the official Files by Google application. Once installed, open your main Settings app, navigate to the Apps menu, and select Special App Access. Tap on the menu specifically labeled All Files Access. Scroll down until you find your newly installed app and turn the toggle switch completely on to grant it unrestricted system privileges. Open the new application, locate your stubborn file, and safely delete it forever. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.